Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the device problem on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve device problem on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.